has a YouTube studio. Right now it's 8 o'clock in the night, but I'm like, I need to fix this. So I came inside this room, removed some books and some stuff from there, and then I thought maybe I should record a bit. Here Krishna is working now, so record a bit and show you guys what I'm going to do with this room. I just have one light source right now, but I need to do all that. This room has a lot of echo, so I'm trying to fix that. Yeah, I just have one carpet and I'll just keep it and see if that works. And I'm going to have some plants there. This wall is going to be my recording wall as of now. I have to record one quick video tomorrow, so I just want to make do with whatever I have and with the plain wall. So later on I'll think of decorating this place in a different way, but for now I need this place fixed. So here you go. This is the basic setup, but the echo is still there. I need to figure something out about that. But so far, this is my video setup. This is one of the videos I recorded in that setup. Echo was a major trouble while working on those videos. I created a seating area with carpets and mattresses. I also set up a small library for myself. Those curtain colors are not my choice. I had these from Kiara's room in the old house, so used them here. These sound absorbing panels from IKEA are saving the day every day. They are helping in reducing the echo. I still feel a tiny little bit of echo though. I'm working on it. At present, I am reducing it in the post production of my videos. Ideally, I want my whole room to be giving good quality audio. By the way, these took a lot of time to fix. My hands were screaming for help. No regrets because it has become an attraction in the studio and a conversation starter. I am happy. This area has become a nice cozy nook in the studio. Whenever I take breaks, I sit here and read a book or just rest. It is my favorite place in my studio. This is another side where I sit and record my sustainable fashion and minimal wardrobe videos. I wanted a dedicated area where I don't have to remove lighting or tripod setup. I love the way it turned out to be. That artwork and the letterboard are parting gifts from friends. They are black and white, so made it to my video background wall. The carpet and the wooden box on the side table are handmade. I picked out a branch and used it as a decor in a blue bottle. Sometimes I light scented candles and keep them on this table. I might change this setup soon. I like rearranging stuff in my surroundings. Let me give you the overall look of the room. Hope you like it. You guys enjoy. I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my ass.